Верить. To believe in Russian. Я верю. Ты веришь. Мы верим. Вы верите. Он, она, оно верит. Они верят. If you have ever studied Russian, you probably noticed that there are two words for you in Russian, ты and вы. Both mean you, yet they are not the same. So what's the difference? Spoken phrases in Russian you need to know as beginner. Как дела? Неплохо. Договорились. Не переживай. До скорого. How to say any in Russian, depending on the gender. Любой, любая, любое, любые. There is one more variant you might meet rather in books. Всякий, всякая, всякое, всякие.